What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful i4 eDrive35. This is the M Sport version that we have right here. It does look absolutely beautiful in this blue color that we have right in front of us. Now before we get into the details of this car, let us first take a look around to show you how physical this car looks. What's the physical appearance like on the car? Notice some black finishes at the bottom. And let's take a look at the rear. Love those lights. We will turn them on shortly to show you guys how it actually looks. But just check that out. So now let's start off with the front of the car. First thing we have to notice is the color, as I mentioned earlier. Second thing is the front grille, super clean, super huge, and very much aggressive looking. I love all these satin finish of chrome right around the grille. Looks really beautiful. The number plate goes right there. You got the 360 camera right up here. You got your BMW badging right in the center. Very aggressive indeed, with that blue lining at the side, and then those kind of designs at the side here makes it look very aggressive. Now let's take a look at the lights. The lights here have these DRLs that will turn on the left side right here, two of it. The main headlight should be somewhere around this side, and the turn indicators should also be on that side as well. So very nice indeed. Your front bumper here, there's an opening for air to flow through on the left side right here. You've got this aggressive looking front design of black finishes here and there. The center here, you also get the same, some satin chrome. Sensor is located right there. Air to flow through right here for your cooling purposes for the battery. Very nice indeed. You got this amazing curve-like design for the blue, right? Really nice. Very fierce looking car. Now check out the front hood. You got some lining at the top left here, at the right side right here. Got those lines coming right down, so very nice indeed. Now let's jump to the wheels of this. So as you can see, they're using Michelin tires right here, and it is a stunning looking wheel. You got some black finishes, some silver finishes all over the place. Very nice indeed. You got your blue caliper on the inside right there, which is the M Sport right there. Can you see the M? Very nice indeed. You got some M badging on the wheels, BMW badging in the center. And take a look at this side. Tire size is 245 40 R19. So these are 19-inch wheels for this. Beautiful. Let's take a look on this side without any blockage from the stand. Now take a look, guys. Beautiful. Love the wheels. Very nice indeed. Now let's jump to the side of the car, where you will notice that there is an M Sport badging at the side of the door. Very nice. You got this black finishing at the bottom right here that goes straight till the end, till the last door right there. So beautifully done. Air to flow out from here so as well, from the wheel arch to release air. Very nicely done. Your side mirrors, you got the blue top finish right here. You got some black finishes underneath the mirror. You got your turn indicators right there. Then you also get this black finish that goes across the whole door all the way to the back and coming forward, continuing like that. So centerpiece, very nice indeed. The door handles, now I love it how it's not outside, it's just in. When you want to unlock the doors, you can unlock them here, lock them also here. So you pull, opens up. Frameless doors. There's no frame, so it's very nice indeed. Now let's take a look at the side doors before we jump into the car. You got your ambient lighting right here, very nicely done. You got some satin chrome-like design over here. Your amazing door handles that we have over this side. You got your opening of your side windows right here. You got this amazing design like for your speakers to be hidden right there. Handle for you to grip on. Blue stitching at the door side. Compartment storage down here, very nice indeed. Speakers right there. Now let's jump on the inside right here to show you guys my favorite part, which is the seats. I love all these Alcantara finishes that we have. The blue stitching that goes around the whole seat, and also you get some fabric on the center right here, mixture again, blue. And then all of a sudden, you have this red line right here, and then you got the blue right over there. So I love how they mix it up to create it in their own way. But yeah, now let's have a seat on the inside to show you guys how it actually fits. Now, this part right here is more like a leg extension thing. Don't like it, you can hold that handle and push it all the way in, so it goes back right in. So right now, I'm sitting in the passenger seat. You can choose to adjust the air vents using this knob. It's a bit different compared to other cars. Very nice. And you get all of these shapes that we have on the dashboard. Beautiful touch, guys. I don't know, I feel that this design right here, it looks really nice. Now the door is right there, fantastic. You got your side plates in the M1. This M badging right here, very nice. For the side plate, seat adjustments is right here, beautiful. Now let's take a look at the center that we have on here, the BMW. So let's take a look. Wireless charging right in the center down there. You can choose to cover it if you wish to. Okay, there we go. And press that again, opens back up. So you got your cup holders right here, USB charging right there, 12-volt socket for your charging also. And you get your other settings that we have to do with down here. Now, amazing touch that we have on this side right here, touchpad on top here. You got your back, you got your option buttons, media, home, navigation, map, telephone. Gear knob for you to adjust is on this side. You also have your off and on button for your traction control, camera, parking sensors, start stop button. And these are your driving modes that we have on this side right here. Auto hold together with your parking, handbrake together with the P to you stop the car. So very nice indeed. So let's take a look at this side right here. Your air vents also have these ambient lightings that are located right there. Air vent adjustments right here. So amazing touch. I like how this knob right here, quite easy, to flow through the air. And then you got your volume up, volume down, turning off and turning on of the radio and whatnot. Hazard lights, next, back. Amazing screen on this side. We'll get to the driver's seat shortly, but in the meantime, let's hop on to the rear. Now let's take a look at the rear doors. Open up, again, frameless doors also as well. Now before we hop into the rear, let's take a look at the tires in the back. So you've got Michelin tires right here, 255/40 R19-inch wheels. Beautiful, solid disc brake at the back. Calipers are also in blue, hidden at the back there. Two-tone wheel, fantastic finish. Now door side, door handles right here, ambient lighting right here as well. So beautifully done, frameless doors, very nice. Handle to hold, to close the door, window. And also you got your compartment storage down there with some blue stitching right here and also here. Very nice. Take a look at the rear. Fantastic. Or before that, I've not shown you how do I look like sitting at the front. And also, check out the ambient lighting at the side. On the floor. That's coming from the car. So this is me sitting right comfortably in the front passenger. Now let's jump to the back. Show you guys. How do I look sitting at the rear? So this is me sitting at the rear, comfortably adjusted at the front. So now I'm at the rear side right here. You got amazing storage space for my legs to go. And this is me sitting right here, center. Looks fantastic indeed for the look. And you got your air vents down here. You got your adjustments right here for your fan speed and whatnot. Type-C adjustments on down here. We'll open up the glove compartment later to show you guys. But yeah, you got this centerpiece right here. Can also jump right to the center and sit down comfortably. You get your amazing space for the back right here. Seat belts are also in black. Love how the seatings also actually look like. So you got some suede finish. Your headrest also is in suede. You got this fabric stuff right here. You got the blue stitching over there. Blue stitching over here. Fabric again. Very nicely done. So let's move to the rear seat of the driver. Before that, let's pull this down. Let's take a look what's happening. Okay, so now we are at the right side. The door should be over here. Handles, ambient lighting as I mentioned earlier again. Let's open that up. Push that open to get it open as wide as possible. Now I can actually get down, show you guys the rear boot before we head down to the driver's seat now. BMW logo right there, 360 camera built into the logo. You got your number plate holder right there, amazing lights right here, your eDrive35 wording on the right side, i4 badging on the left side, amazing rear diffuser in black. You got some satin finish on the left and right side of the bumper. Take a look, aggressive looking rear bumper even from the side, so it does look beautiful. Now let's open up the rear to show you guys how it actually looks. So it's power boot, and we're gonna not look at this bag right here, but in the meantime, just for you to take a look at the space. Now this I believe is a shade, which I'm not sure if you can remove it, but probably I believe you can, because you have an option to fold down the rear seats if you wish to. Compartment storage right here, compartment storage right there. The net you can actually lift up if you wish to. Underneath here you have your other storage spaces to keep some other stuff happening. Now let's fold down the rear seats to show you guys how it actually looks. Take out the rear seats, already folded down. Now what about this side right here? Let's do the same. Take a look at the back. Fantastic space for this fully electric i4 car. Beautiful, amazing space, guys. So now let's also jump to the driver's side. Now the roof for this car is also in a body color kind of roof, so it does look kind of cool. You also get amazing interior for the driver's side as well. So M plates at the side, spot pedals at the bottom. You've got your lighting adjustments on the right side right here. We will turn them on shortly to show you guys, but there we go. I think so. I have turned it on perhaps. I gotta check it out from the front in a while more, but yeah, I believe so. So let's take a look at the main steering wheel. Beautiful looking design, and you get your resume, cancel and whatnot for your cruise control on this side to get your lane, not really your lane keeping assist, but more like the distance for you and the front car to be set. You got your volume up, volume down, answering calls, and also voice command, all right here. Other settings that you can toggle through here. You got your wiper adjustments on this side, fantastic. You got your turn indicators on that side as well. So beautifully done and adjusted in a way that's attractive as much as possible. So cool. So hazard lights are located right there. Again, the center right here. Let's press on that side. We got two Type-C chargings right here, compartment storage right here. Fantastic indeed. So yeah, light adjustments down there. Opening up of the boot is here. And also, yes, your door side. Before that, how do I look like in the driver's seat? So yeah, this is exactly how sporty the driver's seat feels. You got a flat bottom steering wheel with the M badging here, so it is very nice indeed. Love that blue ring around the logo. Take a look at the door side. You also get your lock and unlock buttons here. Opening up of the door handle here. You got your set memory seats. Child lock for the windows at the back. Window adjustments for all four. You have your side mirror adjustments, and also to fold right here, the switch to select which mirror. Both opening right here, and yes, compartment storage down here. Fantastic. So now let's move to this side that we have. Take a look at the front with the lights turned on, guys. So the lights do look very, very sporty indeed on this side, and take a look at that, those cuts that we have. See, love how the sharp thing goes and comes back down, so very nice indeed. Now my favorite part about this car is that it's the rear. The rear, because of these lights, can you see that? Can you see all those lines, how it just goes and comes back down? Very, very sporty. Let's close the boot to show you guys how it actually looks. There's three lines that go across, how they just go straight away, and then they sort of like they bend and curve in, right? So very nice indeed. So now let's take a look at this one right here. Similar, beautiful. And now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how it looks. So turn indicators are located right where your side mirrors are at. You also get them down here. Both of these will replace your turn indicators automatically. Very nice touch. Beautiful. Now let's take a look at the rear, on which part actually has the turn indicator, which is right here, right below the BMW laser wording right there. Cool. Very nicely done. Yeah. So guys, that is it for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, do head down to BMW Millennium Welt here at KL North. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.